Hey guys, this is for all the Padawans out there. Today we're going to learn the Obi Ani. Starting off with is you've got to put your little twirl behind the back of you. So this looks like in your fingers, you're going to open up to your thumb, index, as you do this. You can get pretty good at this, the circle. So, initial twirl 1. Let's get one of those. Then, go 1, drop it down, let your thumb point down in front as the saber comes up behind you. And you've kinked your elbow and you've twisted your body. So 1, down, behind, then you rotate before completing a spin. Because you keep trying to complete it, you got to come up and slice your arm back off. 1 twirl behind your body, twist in the middle of the rotation. Get up on the balls of your foot if you need to. And then continue the spin around in front and back to where you begin. So 1, around, and over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 strikes in the Obi Ani. If your opponent happens to be off to the side. This can also be done face on. So face on, 1, whoosh, 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 as well as side on. So there you have it. So recap: twirl behind the body, rotate. Don't touch yourself. You've got a laser sword here. Let it go around and back. Slice, 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 slice. And this can be followed on from a lot of chain movements. Something as simple as a figure 8, reverse figure 8, and more advanced techniques to learn later. Simple. It's important to actually move your body around whilst doing this. That's the key. Make sure you're limber. You can really tweak your shoulder doing this, especially that angle right there. If you don't warm yourself up, that could be painful. Hope you find this cool. I'll try and make more of these. Let's all become Jedi Masters together.